Let's go. Welcome back to the channel. Early morning. Might be getting ready to hook up on a triple tail. We are fishing a local triple tail tournament out of St. Pete behind me. We're running traps over here in the gauze with Captain Martin of Inverted Charters today, and let's see what we can do. It's a local tournament, got like 12-14 boats in it, and got a good day, man. Got a good front coming. We got 40-mile-an-hour winds coming the next 7 to 8 days, so we're gonna be getting off the water after this one. But we're gonna see if we can catch a triple tail and show you how we rig them up, what we do, and see if we can't come win this tournament. So come along with us today and let's see how we do. See one on there?
I thought I did, but I don't know. It might have just been weeds. Once that, I need that sun to come
I know. Early. The other day we had them running over there in Boca Grande. They wouldn't eat. They wouldn't eat. I mean, you throw everything you want in front of them, they wouldn't touch it. They could we pull them off the buoy, everything, he wouldn't. Threw everything at him. Light bait, shrimp.
right there.
Yeah, let it drop. It's him.
I got you. Still there. Get back on that buoy.
Yeah, you see him on the backside right there? Kind of see him in the waves. He's really right on the back of it. Pull back, right there.
He's going for it. He went down. It's down deep. Come on, Brian.
He's on it still.
Pull Brian, pitch it right back there. He's just down deep. He may not want to eat. He's going down. We'll go find more.
He's still on it though. Adam? Alright, so we're pulling on another buoy. We probably looked at, I don't know, 50 buoys so far, crab buoys. Saw this will be number 3 we've seen. First 2 wouldn't eat. They were little, but one sunk down on us. The other one we really never got a good look at, so let's see what happens on this one here.
Good. He's going for it.
Triple tail on.
Both of them going for it.
Oh, there's 2?
There's 2.
Why don't you tell me
You only
that?
have to hook them. Come on.
Came off the buoy. Did he eat it?
Might have gotten you, buddy. You got it. Oh, got you, Jake.
I'll say, he came off it pretty quick.
The bigger one's down deep.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Off of it, the big one's on it.
That's be a good cast. Get that float down.
Bring it in. Get around that buoy. They're still there.
Both of them are?
So they're still there.
Both of them?
Yeah.
I should float right into it.
Gotta get close to that buoy. Right on. Freaking smack it.
Got one in. As I go grab a bait. Hold them up for me. I'm gonna try and go hook the other one.
There we go.
All right, so the way this works is we're releasing them. We got to take a picture with the playing card with each fish. So here's the playing card, which was given to us last night.
All right. Yep. Nice release, guys. Good job, guys. Bump it up a little bit, bud. See him right there. Yeah, I see him. There you go. Pull it some. Yeah, I don't know if you see it. His face is facing the other way. His face is facing north. Yeah, he's looking right up at the buoy. Yeah.
Gotta hit the buoy. Gotta hit the buoy.
There you go.
There you go. Pull it over the top. Right there. Drop that. Right behind him. He ain't coming off.
Let me turn you around, buddy.
I would.
Just go forward a little bit so I can get on that side of him.
You should be able to make that. You got it right there. You could have made that. That little split shot comes into play.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, no.
Keep on that thing. I'm about to cane pull him after this one. There you go. Pull it back. Keep pulling back. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Right there, drop. You gone? Right there, keep pulling it. Pull it or drop it. Get that split shot. Alright, so we've been riding for a while now. We probably tried a bunch of cans and got another one on the buoy, about to pull back on it. We are 1 for 4 so far. All little ones though, nothing big yet. So let's see what's up on this it's on a crab buoy. Let's see what we got. How big is he, Martin? Oh, little ones. There he is, he already went to it. He ate it, huh? He's on it right there. You got it. No? Oh, he's swimming all the way out? See him out there? See him off the right side? We went back to the buoy. Oh, still front. He's on this side of the buoy.
There you go. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Right there, stop. Alright, bring it.
Let's stay right here. I want to get this one. He's tucked on the backside. He's feisty too, he's moving a lot.
We're at the buoy.
Came off like he wanted it quick. A big shrimp for him. Oh, there it is. Might be too big of a shrimp for him.
Yeah.
He came and took a look at it the first time. He's still there. I'll throw a little shrimp on, Martin. I'll throw a little baby shrimp on. He came off like he wanted it.
Yeah.
As soon as he came out. Need the numbers, need the numbers.
That's alright, we'll go for the release division.
He's on this side, and they're on the other side. You don't want to come off that buoy though. That's a good looking one. There he is, coming off of it. He's got to be right by it. I just start scooting netting these things.
Yeah.
Get him on the head on that one.
They didn't want it anymore. Let's go find it.
Go ahead and pull right on top of him, see if we can.
Yeah, we're almost done.
Back down on him, yeah. We're literally gonna be able to drop right on top of him and see what happens. Let's jig him. I mean, right in front of him. They went right below him. He can lay back up. He's on top of the buoy. People right behind him. There he goes. He's taking off now. Bam. I don't even see him. Oh, I see him.
He's got it.
There you get on. Once they get it once. He's laid up in that thing, huh? They come off one time and come look at it and they go back and that's it.
There you go. Yeah, he doesn't want to go. Yeah, scoop that. I'll scoop him up.
I mean,
Where the big one's at?
every little one we pull up on comes off the buoy once, looks at the bait, goes back to the buoy, and we never catch them. It's 1 for 6 now. Martin wants to know where the big ones are at. Yeah, I do too. Where the big ones at, Martin? Where we going? Where we going next?
Down here.
Always wants to go out further. He's the long shooter. He's always going out further. Go deep.
One dinosaur.
One dinosaur, he says. Let's get one dinosaur. Let's keep looking. I like that medium one. Yeah, I love the medium ones I find. Perfect size, you know. All right, so literally the next buoy after number 6 we lost, saw. We see number 7. This one's a little bigger. I'm gonna roll up on it right now. Let's see if we can get this one to lock in on the bait. Good sign though. Couple back-to-back finally. Good cast. Right off the gate, good cast. Got him. Oh. He's going back to the buoy though, is he? Swinging a miss on that one.
Get all the swing and miss until we get the big one.
It's funny how he went right back to the buoy. He's right back on it. Give him one more shot at it, see if he'll eat again. Come up here. He's right on it. Coming off? He ate it? He ate it. He got the shrimp though. He did eat it. He come off and ate it.
Yeah, but they're circular.
We're feeding them. It's 2 shrimp.
They'll eat. We'll turn around on them.
I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Caught the buoy? Oh, it's right in front of him too, huh?
Here you go, Spark. Here you go. It's going. Hang on. Got it. You got him now. You got him now. Good luck.
There you go. We got him. 3rd time's a charm. Little guy. We'll take him though.
Take that magic number.
Took 3. Pretty triple tail, huh?
Very pretty.
Oh, now he's got lockjaw.
Yeah.
Took 3 shrimp. Back on the playing card.
Number 2. Look at this pretty guy. Cute. Tiny.
Round number 8. think you might not have number 8. Might have sucked. But we didn't see.
Yeah.
Alright, so number 8 ended up not being number 8. And so we went 2 for 7 today. Real simple setup we used. I'll kind of show you right behind me. Just a medium heavy rod. Little 3,000, 4,000 reels, 30-pound braid, and about a 30-pound piece of fluorocarbon, about 3 feet, with a 2-aught tail hook, circle hook, something like that, and a live shrimp just hooked right through it. So we're gonna go ahead and run back down to the weigh-in. Everything was done on video. We videoed all the releases, videoed our card with it. And I'm gonna let you know kind of what ended up happening. What the most fish was and what the biggest fish was. So who hooked the most triple tail today in the tournament and who had the biggest triple tails. All right, so they just finished up the weigh-in over there on the triple tail tournament. And I'm gonna give you a little rundown of the numbers. So we caught 2, we saw 8, but all small ones today. The winning fish ended up being 11 pounds. So it was quite a few, 4 or 5 good sized fish caught, and the winning fish was 11 pounds. As far as the overall numbers that were caught, as far as the highest number of triple tail that was caught, 5. So the highest number was 5. So if we'd have caught a few more of those fish, got them to eat, we'd have been right up there in the rankings with that. But as far as size, we never saw one even close to 5, 6 pounds, let alone 11 pounds. We saw one decent one. We saw a pair of them. The little one ate and the big one didn't. He took off, and that was that. And that's fishing sometimes, but it's always great camaraderie to go out there. I'm on to our next video. If you see right there, I'm at Yacht Armor now. We're getting some new products put on the boat. We're gonna do a new product showcase on this product. You'll see that video soon. But I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. We'll be doing plenty more tournaments. We're getting reached out to left and right. If you have a tournament or anything else going on, please reach out to us. We're more than happy to get involved and video it and be a part of it. Like and subscribe to the channel as always. And anything else y'all want to see, please put in the comments below. Comments really help us. We really appreciate them. And we will be back out with Martin and Inverted Charters and his big boat. I think in about 2 or 3 weeks, we're going offshore again. So don't know what it entails, but it's going to be something a little different. We got some ideas, but it's going to be a little different. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel to get more. Thanks for watching, guys.